Welcome back to another Phill-osophy Arc episode. In this afternoon's episode, I'm covering Kintsugi, also known as Kintsukuroi, the Japanese art of repairing broken pottery by mending the broken pieces with lacquer mixed with gold, silver, or platinum. It is not just a repair technique, but also a philosophy that embraces the beauty of imperfection and the idea that breakage and repair can create something even more unique and valuable. Well, life is a lot like Kintsugi, is that we become broken sometimes, and we take damage, and we suffer chips and imperfections. And good life and good living is about repairing ourselves. Just like we renovate and work on our houses and put new coats of paint on the roof or the walls, we must all keep going. Now, we fix ourselves at times with seams of gold and precious metals and nice things to make us stronger and more resilient and happier and better off. Because we all start as blank sheets of organic paper as babies, and the world and our parents and life and experiences and learning new things prints us with data and information. We are bioorganic computers up here, fueled on food and drink. We all start as nothing, and we all live and become something. And every time we face hardship and challenges, it's about strengthening ourselves. I, like everyone else in this world, have faced things, and they shattered me and broke me and left voids and fissures in my soul. At times I thought they could never be filled, and I would just be in misery. But eventually I found new things and beautiful things to fill them with. Like the laughter of my little cousins, like falling rain in sunlight, and the pleasure of catching the biggest fish I've ever got in my entire life, and meeting amazing people who, when I hang out with them, I have a truly great time, and when I get home, I'm glad I left the house that day just to be with them. Kintsugi is about filling the voids and fissures with beautiful things and precious metals. So let us all go out there into the world, as wide and as large as it is, and find what makes us happy, what makes us value living, what makes us want to grow and be inspired, what fills the cracks and fissures in our hearts and souls and bodies and makes us whole again. I love you all, and I love myself. I'm going to keep working hard for myself and others. See you later. Hey, Future Racer here. If you're finding the Phill-osophy Arc series inspirational, educational, entertaining, humorous, or it's giving you a little smile, think about liking and subscribing. If you have a family member, loved one, or friend who you think could equally benefit from this series, think about sharing it with them.